Hello friends, today we are going to study about 4 years moving average method. We have already studied about the 3 years moving average method and 5 years moving average method. We are going to study today 4 monthly moving average method. Here is the question, it is given. Now let's see. It is little bit different from for 3 years and 5 year moving average method. In 3 years and 5 years moving average method, there was no need of leaving the lines one after the another. But here it is compulsory to leave the lines one after the another. Again, whatever is given in the question, month, share, then time, already we have to give 4 monthly moving total. Then next column will be of pairwise. Next column will be of 4 monthly moving average. Here one column is extra, that is pairwise total. Now let's see. We have to leave the gap after each and every one. 4 years moving means again we have to add the 4 years whatever is given. Here the share price is given, that means 4 month share price we have to add it first. But where we have to write? I have already said that we have to leave the lines in between. Why to leave the lines? Because in 4 year moving average method, 4 years shares price we will be adding, but where to write? After second and before third. Where we have to write? After second and before third, whatever line we have left in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add all the price of the 4 years. Again next, whatever is the total, 1095, bring it down. First one will be deducted, next one will be added. But where we have to write? In between of 3 and 4. Whatever is the calculation, do the calculation. We got the answer 1104. Bring it down. Again second one will be getting deducted, next one will be getting added. As we were doing in third year, 3 years moving average method and 5 years moving average method, we have to do in same way, but we have to write in between. First we have to start in between 2 and 3, then 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6. In this way we have to write in between. Three years moving average, we were leaving one from the bottom, one from the top. 5 years moving average method, we were leaving 2 from the top, 2 from the bottom. 4 years moving also, we have to leave 2 from the top, 2 from the bottom. Next, pairwise total. Pairwise total means whatever we have having the calculation 1095, 1104, we have to add it and write in between that 2. Again these 2, we have to add it and write in between these 2. Just go on adding, but we have to write in between. We have to go on write in between. After having the pairwise total, next column 4 monthly moving average. That means whatever we were having the total divided by 8. Whenever we are having even, that means 4 monthly, we have to do the double of that. 4 it will become 8. In 3 years moving average method, we were dividing it with 3 only. 5 years moving average method, we were dividing it with 5 only. But if it is 4 monthly moving average, that means we have to double it. We have to divide it by 8. Whatever is the total, divide it with 8. Thank you.